You know that feeling when you're torn between options, going back and forth, and just feeling stuck? Often, that's not because you don't have enough information. It's because you haven't clearly defined what you're trying to achieve. In the next 4 minutes, I'm going to share a simple exercise to start your decision-making process. This is the Define Goal for Decision exercise. There are 3 simple steps. First, focus on the why. Ask yourself, what problem are you trying to solve? Or what opportunity are you trying to capture? Second, identify your top 3 priorities. What factors matter the most in this decision? Third, set a time frame and define success. What would a successful outcome look like in 3 months, 6 months, or a year? Let me show you how to use this exercise with some examples. Job decision. You're trying to choose between different jobs. The why. Finding a position that uses my marketing skills with growth opportunities. Top 3 priorities. Work-life balance, creative environment, advancement potential. Success. In 1 year, I'm tackling challenging marketing projects with a leadership path. Home renovation. The why. Increase my home's value and functionality. Top 3 priorities. Stay within budget, improve kitchen, add home office. Success. In 6 months, renovation is complete and under budget. Health example. You're deciding on a new fitness routine. The why. I want to improve my overall health and energy levels and increase my muscle mass. Top 3 priorities. Consistency, enjoyment, measurable progress. Success. In 3 months, I'm exercising 3 times per week, looking forward to my workouts, not dreading them, and seeing improvements in my strength. Having such a roadmap for decisions brings instant clarity. After this, you can evaluate each option against your specific criteria rather than getting lost in endless pros and cons. Why does this simple exercise make such a big difference? First, it cuts through complexity. By identifying what truly matters to you, you filter out the noise and focus only on the relevant factors. Second, it prevents decision regret. When you're clear about what you want, you're less likely to be swayed by flashy but ultimately unimportant features of an option. Third, it saves your time and energy. With clear criteria, you can evaluate options more efficiently rather than going around in circles. And finally, it builds decision confidence. When you know exactly what you're trying to achieve, you'll feel more certain about your choices. Before making your next important decision, take just 5 minutes to complete this exercise. Define your why, identify your top priorities, and envision what success looks like. This roadmap won't just help you with your current decision. It's a skill that will serve you in every choice moving forward. In the following videos, we'll build on this foundation and explore how to evaluate your options once you have a clear goal. Until then, remember, the clearer your target is, the more likely you are to hit it. Let me know in the comments what decision you're working through and how this exercise helps. See you in the next video.